Here's a portion of a recent program on American History TV.
Everybody meet Nanny. So this grave is pretty much exactly what I described to you in 1890, right? So we know at least by 1990 there were items on this grave, and it's almost like ancestral memory. People don't even know. The people that left these items probably didn't know that this was the way the cemetery was. You know, what's so awesome is when I have my 3rd and 4th graders visit, they want to know why the other children don't have toys. So I think that's why we did the Memory Stone Rock project, so that they could decorate these things for others who didn't have those. So these are things. So let me just tell you. So 2023, Juneteenth, we have an amazing event. This is last year. We have an amazing event this year too. But last year, over 250 people came for a tour. Showed Nanny's grave. It was awesome. The very next morning, I met with George Washington University students during a project, and somebody had set this grave afire. Lit it up. All burned. I've left some of the toys that were here. These burned.
What?
Yeah, some of the toys are still here. This rock was still here. This was part of that. I was in shock and very upset. There's several news articles. Y'all can look for that as well. Nanny was born in 1848 and died in 1856, a week before her 8th birthday. So she feels, like a kid, like we're honoring her. And so when her grave was burned, it was a shock. And so what was beautiful, though, is that it brought people to the cemetery, and they replaced her toys. All of her toys, and every time I come out here, there's something new. Something new. I mean, the most beautiful thing is when watching children that start taking off their headbands and their rings and leaving them down there with nobody saying anything. It's just an ancestral passion, memory. I just love it.
That was a portion of a recent American History TV program. You can watch the full program and all of our history programs anytime online at cspan.org/history.